So good afternoon all. Welcome from a warm Amsterdam. We are with the application team and we are having the live demo of two machines, the UJV100 and the JV100. We are together here with application specialist Rens van Haren working from his home office, and next to me Martijn Burgers. We are able to chat with you, so put in your questions and we will after the videos we will answer them and try to give you all the best help you can have from us. So Jordi, if you can start the videos for both machines. Welcome all. My name is Mark Solman from the showroom of Mimaki Europe in Amsterdam. Today we will show you an online demo for our Mimaki UJV100. I'm here with my colleague Rens, who will explain the specifications and the features of the machine. Rens, could you please introduce yourself?
Hi everyone, my name is Rens van Haren and I'm the application specialist at Mimaki Europe. I want to welcome you to our experience center, and indeed we're going to show you the UJV100, the first of the machines of the 100 series.
The UJV100 is a UV roll-to-roll machine with LED curing. The machine is 1.6 meter wide and the machine is based on our 100 series platform. In this platform we have more machines. We have the TS100, a textile sublimation printer, and the JV100, a new entry-level solvent printer. The UJV100 is a machine which is made to respond to the market demands. It has a best performance at the lowest running cost. With this machine you will have an advanced technology at an entry-level price. For our end users, the machine is a nice design printer to expand their business volume with advanced technologies. We have the machine already running for several months, Rens. Could you please explain a little bit about the stability?
Yeah, we have the machine indeed for several months, and when the machine will be installed in our experience center, we will start printing the inspiration kits. So the inspiration kits is made for our customers to show all the possibilities and the quality of our printers in small sheets in all kind of media. So we can switch over to the handheld to have a sure visibility of different applications. So really nice copper foil and one-way vision, even textile. So a really big benefit about UV printing, this will show separately, is it can print on almost anything, even on uncoated materials. About the inspiration kits, we need to print thousands of units of them, and so you can imagine we need to print over 50 rolls continuously for weeks, and for us it's a really good test to see the stability of the machine, also the quality. Yeah, I can assure you for this machine it was really easy to produce without any problems. Rolls over 50 meters it will print without any nozzle failure and stability. So this one has passed the test.
Yeah. If we talk about the print heads, how many print heads do we have in this machine?
So we have two print heads, specially developed by Mimaki print heads, with 4 picoliter drop sizes, and the print heads are staggered. So that means higher speed, or even for this configuration, using special colors, you can print them simultaneously.
Up to 1200 resolution and 4 lines with 420 nozzles per printhead.
Yeah.
Yeah, one of the best features which I think of Mimaki is the maps. Could you please explain a little bit about the maps system?
Yeah, you're always talking about the maps, Mark. you really like the maps. So we can switch over to the handheld to zoom in. It could be difficult to see, but the maps is interweaving the dots and the raster process to prevent any bending. So that's a really good benefit, and it's automatically adjusted per resolution. So that's a nice way to prevent bending.
To show the stability of the machine, what do we have more? We have the NCU and we have the DAS system.
Yeah, the DAS system is new on the 100 systems. And first of all, we can talk to you about the slogan of the 100 series, and it's expert printing made easy. A big benefit, and what I really want to explain this slogan, because the machine will do the work for you. And one point of this is the DAS system, so dot adjustment system. And the dot adjustment system will automatically adjust the feed compensation, but also the dot adjustment. So the alignment of printing on every media is adjusted automatically. So that's one point of expert printing made easy.
Next to that we have the NCU and the NRS, so nozzle check unit and the nozzle recovery system.
Indeed. So the nozzle, I will start with the nozzle recovery because that's a manual part. It can print a pattern of the nozzles, and if your printhead will wear out in a couple of years, for example, it could be that some nozzles will be not working properly. And because of this, we can recover nozzles that are failing, and that will extend your lifetime of your printheads. But another big benefit also is your downtime is less than 5 minutes. So you will print a pattern Mark showed you, you check which nozzle is missing, giving in the number, and you're done, and you can print again. So really handy.
Very nice feature.
And the next point, also the NCU, it's automatically. So the NCU is in this part. It's a laser, and the dots will fire the drops. It will detect which nozzle is missing, and then it will automatically recover this nozzle. But also it can send you an email or a message what to do. Do I need to clean first, or do I need to wait? What I can do, or I need to recover the nozzles automatically. So that's also really easy. Expert printing made easy again.
If we talk about the ink setting, we have 1 liter bottles for this machine.
Yeah.
What kind of ink sets do we have?
So we have multiple ink sets. So you can have 2 times CMYK for faster production. And we have also the special colors. And for this we have the white ink and the clear ink. So we can print on color and white, and also clear to give a gloss effect on your printing details.
Very, very nice. What kind of inks do we have? We have installed here now the LOS 190,
yeah,
which is a flexible ink, which can be stretchable.
Yeah, indeed. And we have also the 210, that's for outside Europe, for some regions. So, and the 190 ink is a semi-flexible ink with a certificate also for the Green Guard Gold certificate. And it can be used for flexible materials like PVC, banner, but also the high density white ink is really good for applications for window film or other transparent applications.
So ink consumption, yeah, it's always difficult. It's depending on how much ink you put on the media,
Yeah,
but
true.
Approximately for a square meter, it can be around 10 millimeter.
Yeah, 10 cc of ink on 1 square meter, approximately. It's really low.
We also have a media jam sensor on the machine to prevent head crashes.
Yeah, I can move the head a little bit aside. So on the side of the print head, on the carriage, there's a jam sensor. So when it's hitting an object, the carriage will stop immediately for printing, so that will prevent the print heads for crashing on the media. So also it will prevent for damaging the print heads. Also we have the media plates, and the media plates will prevent the media from going up at the point where the print heads are. So that's also a security inside.
So for the machine, we have two connections to put. We have a USB and we have
LAN, indeed. So
Ethernet.
we can set over to network, to Ethernet, and also directly through USB connection.
And also there's event mail, which you already mentioned, which is the status of the printer, which can be sent to your mobile phone or your mail.
Yeah, indeed. Then again, for putting in the media, and it's already, if I'm correct, at the time of the JV100 or our successor printer, we also have the inside, we have the take-up and the winder for the media, and there's also a roll stopper inside. It's really easy. It's basically a simple thing. So if the handle is up, it will hold the media at a certain point. Now you feel there's a tension, and you only have to pull it in the middle, and your roll will automatically be straight. Set down the media lever and you're done. And you're just going to print for over 50 meters without any problem.
For us, a very, very simple feature, but it works very well.
Yeah, it works. It's all from 2007 already, I guess, from the JV100 series, and it's working perfectly. Also, the winder and unwinder system is the take-up. It's straightforward, but it works perfectly.
So there's a new Rasterlink delivered with the machine, Rasterlink 7.
Yeah. Rasterlink 7 is redeveloped. In the past we had Rasterlink 6, and Rasterlink 7 is a new interface, also for better handling of difficult PDF files. And another point is the speed. So the RIP speed and the interface is much faster than its former Rasterlink 6.
Yeah, and for the people who already have Rasterlink 6, there's a free upgrade. This is since February 2021, so people can upgrade their software freely.
Yes.
Optional items, we have an ionizer kit, which might be handy for if you have a lot of problems with static electricity.
Yeah, true. So static electricity can be made from the media, but it can also be the environment. So that will create static electricity. And if you print a lot of PET material, it could be very static during printing. So that's why we have the optional kit for the ionizer.
If we talk about speed of the machine, so we have 4 color set and we have white. It's difficult to explain every resolution, every speed, but
yeah, you can go up to 1200 dpi, and we have also for tarpaulin we go to 360. So the speeds is variable. So for every need. Then again, people are afraid that the lowest quality or the highest speed also can give some problems using bending, etc. But then again, we have our maps, we have the DAS system, so the dot automated adjustment system. So it will adjust your printer perfectly on every media. So don't be afraid to use higher speed. Then again, for high speed, because it's UV printing, it's instant dry. So it doesn't have to be, the platen doesn't have to be heated, and the ink will be cured through our LED UV lights, so it's instant dry. You can compare this a little bit with, for example, solvent printing. Printing on paper is really difficult, and for solvent printing you need to print on a lower speed so the ink has enough time to dry. And with UV you can print up on the lowest and the highest speed on the lowest quality easily without any problems that the media will start to wrinkle or it's not dry when it's starting to wind up. So big benefit for UV printing.
Very clear. So to sum it up a little bit, if we talk about 4-color printing in a 360 by 900 resolution, so then we are printing in 6 pass, then the machine is approximately 23 square meter an hour. If we print with white, then we have an 8 pass, which is 9.3 square meter an hour, which is very, very nice speed. And we have 12 pass, which is a 6.8 square meter an hour.
Yes.
Yeah, a little bit, some questions. What is the lifetime of the UV lamp approximately?
Yeah, the lifetime is approximately 5,000 hours, but we can almost say that the lifetime of this LED UV lights is the lifetime of a machine. I don't see not much that the LED lights need to be changed during the lifetime of the machine. So also the consumption of power with LED is really low, so that's also a benefit.
If we talk about maintenance of the machine, can we show a little bit how it works?
So again, I will come to the point of expert printing made easy. What Mimaki does in the new 100 series is also a really clear display that it will show you how to do the maintenance. So if I go to the maintenance, and I will just do for the daily maintenance to show you. I'm not sure if the camera can show you on the screen if it's focused. No. Yes, it's focusing. So now you see there are really clear images in the display to show you what step by step what you need to do for maintenance or adjustments or other stuff. It will show you really easy. So that's again the point of expert printing made easy. It will do it for you and will show you. So the carriage can be set by station, and also we have a really large space with covers where we can do the maintenance of the print heads. So we have a space for the swaps and for the cleaning solution, and there's enough space.
A lot of space.
Yeah, to clean the machine. So then we can close the covers again.
If you talk about maintenance, what do you, how many maintenance cycles do you need for a day?
Yeah, it's depending on your production, but still, it will do by itself mostly. So you can set up in the menu how much maintenance you want to do automatically. So the wiper and the pump will work, but also the manual maintenance is approximately 1 time a day, before or at the end of the day.
So if you are an operator, you cannot say, I do not have time for the maintenance.
Indeed, it's only 5 minutes and you're done.
Yeah. Like you can see, this machine is really developed for the needs of the customers. It's reliable. It's a low-cost branded printer, which is very, very important. We can print high quality on a variety of media, and in a customized production in small series. And due to the direct curing, we have a same-day delivery, which we will call.
Immediately after printing. So also because of semi-flexible inks, it's really easy to post-process after printing. You can print it and cut it afterwards. You can roll it up. You can start pasting even without lamination. So it's directly finished. So you can ship it out the same day if you like.
Thank you, Rens. I hope you enjoyed this online demo. Due to the situation, it's quite difficult, but we hope to see you very, very soon in our experience center. For the rest, enjoy your day, and for the next machine, we will go to the JV100, which is our entry-level solver machine.
Indeed.
Rens, thank you very much.
You're welcome, Mark. And I hope to see you soon in our experience center for a live demo, because that's what I like, live demos. But indeed, due to the situation, this online demo, but I hope you have enough information. If not, please visit our website and you can ask questions and we will always help you.
Thank you.
Bye bye.
Welcome all. My name is Mark Solman from the Experience Center at Mimaki Europe in Amsterdam. Together with my colleague Rens, we will show you today the JV100. Rens, could you please introduce yourself?
Yes, my name is Rens van Haren. I'm the application specialist at Mimaki Europe, mostly specialized in sign graphic and UV machines. And today we're going to do the demo for the JV100.
The JV100 is a competitive device. It has the best performance at the lowest running cost in the solvent sign market printing sector. Advanced technology at a lower price level with fast drying ink. It will sure meet the needs of entry-level customers. It will print high quality on a variety of media. So customized production in small series, and the JV100 is the perfect entry-level sign printer. The machine is 1.6 meter wide and the machine is based on our 100 series platform. In that platform we also have the Mimaki UJV100 UV LED printer and we have the TS100 transfer sublimation printer. The JV100 is a machine which is made to respond to the market demands. Rens, we have the machine running for several months in our showroom. What can you tell us about the stability of the machine?
Yeah, the stability was perfect from day one that the machine arrived and installed by our tech department. What we are doing when the machine is arriving will be installed and then we start immediately printing the sample kits. So the sample kits, most of you know, so the small sheets we printed on all various of materials. And you can imagine we need to print over thousands of these sample kits to spread over whole Europe to our dealers. And it's more than 50 rolls of media, of different types of media. And for this is really good for us to test the stability of the machine, but also the quality. And I can show you this one has passed the test. Can I have a look with the handheld for some different media? So the common vinyls, also for car wrapping, and you can see the quality of the print, but also the colors, so really bright orange, greens, reds, blues, tarpaulin and banner, the wallpapers, all kind of materials. So it's really good for us and for the dealers to show the versatility, but also the quality of the printer. But for us as application specialists, really good to see the stability and the production quality of the machine.
If you talk about the quality of the machine, Rens, what can we tell about the print heads?
Yeah, we have specially developed print heads for this machine. 2 print heads staggered, so increasing the speed, and it's really low picoliter, 4 picoliter drops. And yeah, the quality of this one in combination with the Mimaki technology it's astonishing.
So with a maximum resolution of 1200 dpi and we have 420 nozzles in 4 lines per print head.
Correct.
Yeah. So for stability of the machine, we have, again, I'm really curious about your maps technology.
The maps. Yeah, we have pre-printed some, so we will show you a little bit what maps is doing. Mark gonna show us through his handheld camera again. We see already that the print heads are staggered, so the yellow come first and the orange. And if you look closely, there's no lines whatsoever, and that's because of the maps, the interweaving of the dots, preventing for bending. So it's a really smooth coverage of the colors, especially in solid colors.
For stability of the machine, we have a few functions, which is NRS, and we have DAS system, and we have NCU.
Indeed, yeah. Yeah, so we have some technology built in this machine, in all our machines of the 100 series. And our slogan of this 100 series is expert printing made easy. And it's fully true because the machine will do the work for you. And some functions will show you these features. So for example, what Mark says is a DAS system. And the DAS is the dot automatic system, adjustment system. So it will align your print heads for printing perfectly. So for in the feed correction and in the scan correction, it will print a pattern and will automatically align without any interference of someone. Then we have the NCU and the nozzle recovery function. So Mark, if you can close up to the nozzle recovery function. I hope you can see it a little bit. It's small lines and very small lines, and we can see which line is missing. That will be eventually a dot missing, a nozzle missing, and we can recover it manually. Also, we can recover it automatically by using the NCU. And the NCU is a nozzle recovery sensor. It's a laser built-in. It will spray some dots, and eventually it will recognize which nozzle is missing, and it will automatically recover your nozzle. What's the benefit of nozzle recovery? It will increase the lifetime of your print heads. So in a couple of years, 3, 4, maybe 5 years, the head will fire maybe less nozzles. It will be a little bit worn out. And because of this, we can do 10 nozzles per nozzle row. We can recover, and within 5 minutes it's done. So also your downtime is almost none, and you can start printing immediately.
And it will have a better lifetime of your printheads.
Yeah, true.
Yeah.
So the lifetime of your printheads without any engineer needs to come by will increase.
You were talking about you showed the different kinds of media. So an average roll of PVC is 22 kilograms and a banner almost 45 kilograms. What is the maximum kilogram which we can handle on the take-up device?
Yeah, we know with some machines you can go to 20 kilo, 25 kilo maximum. And this unit, the 100 series, can go to 45 kilos of rolls.
For entering a roll, we have a very nice feature, which is on the back side of the machine.
Yeah, Mark, you have the maps as favorite. I got my roll stopper.
Yeah.
So I really love my roll stopper. It's already, I think from 2007 already done by the JV100 series. And it's just basically, if you set up a media and you insert the media, the roll stopper will activate. So now there's a tension. And just hold it in the middle. And therefore your media will be aligned straight, perfectly. Lower down, and you're done. So your media will be straight for over 50 meters without any problems.
Talking about the inks of the machine, we have a few. We have the well-known SS21 ink in the machine. Then for a low-cost and sensitive market, we also have an ink. And what kind of ink do we have in this machine installed?
In this machine we have the Eco cases, 600 milliliters, AS5 inks. So it's an Eco Solvent ink. And in these cases we have 600 milliliters. So I will take one bag.
I will go with the hand can. Yeah.
So this you can insert into the cassette. So you don't have to throw away any cassettes. So also
ecological.
Really ecological.
Yeah.
Yes, indeed.
Before we go to maintenance and stability, talking about the speed of the machine. It is an entry-level solvent machine, but with a very high speed.
Yeah, it's nice to say it's an entry-level machine, but it's with all the Mimaki technology inside. So yeah, what you can say entry-level, because it's a really easy machine for everybody to use, and it's also the speed. Can go to a maximum of almost 63 square meters an hour. So that's quite fast for this machine, and especially with this quality and small picoliter print heads. it will still be beautiful for also close-up.
To sum up a little bit the speed, so we have 4 color setting and we have 8 color setting. So max speed in 4 color setting is in 360 by 600 dpi. Then we are printing in a 2-pass. It's almost 63 square meter. And in an 8-pass, in 8 color, we are going to 27 square meters.
27, yeah, about 27 square meters. So that's a really nice speed, but also the quality combined. We see at the close-ups before it's the solid colors will be, and also for really light colors, light grays, etc., are really sharp. And nice benefit also because of the colors. We are talking about colors at this moment. Is because also we are working with the AS5 with 8 color ink set. So we have CMYK, then we have the light colors, light magenta, light cyan, and then we have the light black and orange. And because of this, we can almost cover all of the Pantone colors. So the color gamut is really large.
Once more about the stability of the machine and maintenance.
Yeah,
What
maintenance. Yeah, we know maintenance is important. If you drive a car, you also need to maintain the car. And we also need to do maintenance on this for daily maintenance, cleaning around. But now in the new system, and especially in the new display, we set up the manual for how to clean or other settings in the display. So I will setting up for the maintenance.
Can we see it in the, yeah.
Start to focus on the display with Mark's stable hands. So the head is moving fully to the left, and now you can see.
Yeah, if we can zoom in, yeah.
So you see a drawing exactly what you need to do. And that's so it's really handy for everybody. And then we have on the left side so there's a really large area where you can clean the print heads, the carriers. So the display will show you what to do. You perform the maintenance and within a few minutes you're done. You can close the cover. So the access to every part is really handy. And also a small thing like the wiper we have for many years. It's blue, so we can see if it's not blue, it's black because of the ink. You clean it, and if it's blue again, so that's all small things that Mimaki thought about to help our customers.
We are driving the machine with software, the new Rasterlink 7.
Yep.
Yeah, it's a newly developed software which can run the machine.
Yeah.
And for the Rasterlink 6 people, they can freely upgrade since February 2021.
So Rasterlink 7 is basically the same as Rasterlink 6 or 6 Plus. So people who are working with Rasterlink 6 immediately can work with Rasterlink 7. Only it's faster. Interface is improved, and also especially for PDF files, difficult files, it will calculate even faster than before. I think over 40% faster.
And next to USB, we can drive the machine with a LAN connection.
Yeah, indeed, Mark,
Ethernet.
with LAN. Yes.
Yeah.
True. So also no distance anymore.
Yeah. Okay. Now, yeah, as you can see, for our end users, the machine is really not a nice design printer to expand your business volume with the advanced Mimaki technology. It is a complete solution to fulfill your needs in your market. Thank you for your time and your...
Yeah, indeed. And yeah, what do we say about these machines, the 100 series, expert printing made easy? It's really true. It is really easy, and I think everybody can go have a look, and hopefully after all the things getting better, we can show you it doing a live demo or show in the future.
So thank you for your time for this online demo, and hope to see you in the near future in our experience center. We're looking forward to it.
Yes.
We will go to the studio for the Q&A session. So see you there. So thank you, Jordi. Thank you all for your time and your patience for the demo videos. We have indeed a lot of questions. Let's start with first one. Rens, there's a question. What is the role of clear ink in the UGV?
The role of clear ink, I hear myself double.
Yeah, Jordi will manage it.
So clear ink is mostly for the to get glossy effects inside of the print. So it's not to cover or to get it like a varnish. It's more to get like a spot lock effect, so you can get glossy items on your print. So especially for UV, it could be having a little bit of a matte appearance. And so with some nice results with some glossy effect or even matte effect on glossy materials, you extend your product more than a common solvent printer.
Okay, thanks. Question from our customer IGEPA. Is maps available in every solution? Maybe you said it, but I was a little bit late to log in. Martijn, is maps available in every resolution?
Yes, it's available in every resolution. It's first of all, it's automatic, and you have also an option to go to manually. So you can adjust the speed and the smoothing level, and that's done by yourself. Of course, if you using this maps manually, then your speed will go down a little bit, but it will improve the quality of the print. So that's yeah, in every print resolution it's available.
Okay, we have a question from Randa Graphics. Is it possible to... I already have one of these machines configured CMYK double white UGV. Is it possible to change to additional clear inks now that they are available? Can I forward it to you, Rens?
Yes. So assume so you have CMYK in 2 times white only.
Yeah.
So with 2 extra colors, I suppose. It's possible, yes, but you need to flush the system. It needs to be also done by an Mimaki authorized partner technician who has the known experience to do this, and it will take at least a day to flush your system and to set up to another ink set, what you like.
Yeah. Can we print 3-layer printing like CMYK white CMYK in single time with the UJV100? Martijn?
Well, 3-layer is not possible, but 2-layer is possible. So you can create with CMYK plus white. What is important in this case when you choose for CMYK and white is if you want to print only CMYK and then white, you have to think before you install the machine how to configure this inks, because it's only possible to start if you choose one, it will print with white and then color, or vice versa. So this is what you really need to understand before you install the machine. What do you want to do with white in this case? So that's really important before installing the machine.
And we have to... Sorry, Jens.
Adding to that, indeed, this is the entry-level machine for application. What Martijn says, you need to choose before installation. And if you want to have it both or multi-layer printing, even until 5-layer printing, you can also then go a step higher and you choose a UJV100 series.
Yeah.
So.
Correct. Yeah. That's also the regarding question from Monotech, the difference between UCGV300 and UGV100. Yeah, that's the more layer printing can be done. What's the lifetime of UV lamp? I will do this question because we answered it in the video. That's a question from Monotech. It will be 5,000 hours. Martijn, question from IGEPA. Hello guys, according to my colleague, the function check the matching of device profiles is gone in Rasterlink 7. Will this come back?
Yes, this question we already also had before. This is a good question. This is not in yet. If we know more about this, we will discuss and inform our dealers and distributors. But for now, there is no option in this in the Rasterlink 7.
Most probably it will be back with an update. But it is a nice feature to check several matching profiles in just 1 square meter printing. How big are the ink packs on the UJV100, Rens?
If I talk about AS5 ink, the ink packs, the eco cases, is 600 milliliter.
Okay, and for the UJV100, 1 liter ink packs.
Bottles.
Is UV bottles? You are correct. Is UV ink directly cured and ready for finishing?
Yep.
Yeah, you can directly laminate it. And what do you recommend for the waiting time for solvent before lamination?
Yeah, that's a nice one because there are people nicely waiting for 24 hours. There are people waiting for 12 hours. There are people directly start pasting the vinyl, but then it's like chewing gum. I must say, especially also with the AS5, it's dry quite fast. So it's not attacking the media that hard. So, but still, for solvent, we all know it's 12.5, mostly 24 hours you need to wait before you start car wrapping, for example.
Yeah.
The benefit for UV ink, it's instant dry, so you can use it directly. You can start cutting, folding, pasting. So if you have jobs you need to go out the same day, or if you need to post-process immediately, then UV is the answer.
Yeah, that was also the main difference between AS5 and SS21 ink. So yeah, AS5 is fast drying and efficient ink. We have the ink performance compensation available between those inks. So yeah, but scratch resistance, dryness, and color gamut are quite similar between these inks. Martijn, can I update my Rasterlink 6 version to new 7?
No, that's not possible. You will receive a new package of the new RIP software, the Rasterlink 7. So it's not an update, but a new RIP package.
There's a new package installation, and it's freely available. Can we use an ionizer for the UJV100, Rens?
For the UJV100, yeah, there's an optional unit, ionizer. You can order it now, it's available. Especially, and it's also mentioned in the movie, and I paid attention in the movie, that especially for PET-G materials are really having static charge, and also the environment of some production places, especially in the winter, could be having a lot of static electricity problems. And because of our UV printers can print so many different types of materials, even uncoated materials, sometimes some media can create some static electricity. So that's why we have an option for this unit.
Yeah. So car wrapping is no problem with AS5 ink. No, I can answer that question. No, that's no issue and no problem. So perfect. White ink circulation, is it available? on the, I think you were talking about the UJV100. Is white ink circulation available, Rens?
Yep, but until the settings.
Yeah.
So,
New question, Martijn. Can JV100 be used to make transparent self-adhesive labels?
It can be possible, but you need special coated material, especially for solvent inks. And of course, you have also transparent material for coated for UV inks. So that's important to when you buy this kind of medias to check the labels, check the data sheets of this materials, because adhesion is important.
Yeah, and white is not available in the JV100, so you can try the UJV100 because it's also there's no temperature during, so there's no deforming of the material. I think we almost have all questions. What is the shelf life of your ink? Yeah, we have 1 year after production date is the shelf life. That was it. So thank you all for your attention. Enjoy the weather tonight. It's really nice here. Thank you, Martijn. Thank you, Rens. And see you tomorrow at the Innovation Days, and enjoy your evening.
Bye.
Bye.
bye-bye.